So now we are going to solve this question. Okay, so this is an algebraic inequation given, that is nothing but x square minus mod of x plus 2 plus x greater than 0. Okay, so we need to find the solution of this. That means we need to find all the objects which satisfy this particular algebraic inequation. Okay, so we'll have to form two cases here, that is nothing but case A, that is nothing but x plus 2 greater than equal to 0, and case B, that is nothing but x plus 2 less than 0. So we are going to proceed with the case A, that is nothing but x plus 2 greater than equal to 0. That means when x plus 2 is greater than equal to 0, that means when x plus 2 is positive, that is nothing but when x is greater than equal to minus 2. We can say in other words, that is nothing but x square minus mod of x plus 2 plus x greater than 0. This thing is x plus 2 is greater than equal to 0, that is nothing but it will open with a positive sign, that is nothing but x plus 2 plus x greater than 0, that is nothing but x square minus x minus 2 plus x greater than 0, minus x plus x cancel out, x square minus 2 is 2 greater than equal to 0, that is nothing but will form this linear factor. Linear factor are nothing but x square minus this, we can write it as root 2 square greater than 0, and this thing is nothing but x square minus root 2 whole square greater than 0, that is nothing but a square minus b square, that is nothing but x minus root 2 and x plus root 2, okay, greater than 0, that is nothing but. Now we need to find critical points. Critical points are nothing but where linear factors are equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0 and x plus root 2 equal to 0, that is nothing but x equal to root 2, okay, and x equal to minus root 2, okay. So we are going to represent this on the number line, that is nothing but minus root 2 will come before plus root 2, and this is nothing but minus infinity and this is plus infinity, okay. Now we are going to form the regions, that is nothing but three regions will be there. It will be positive, it is negative, it is positive. This is what, this is positive, so that means we want these two regions, that is nothing but x belongs to minus infinity to minus root 2 union plus root 2 to plus infinity, okay. This is the answer, okay, but we need to take this answer when x is greater than equal to minus 2. That means we'll have to take the intersection of this thing and this thing, okay. So that is nothing but, so x is greater than equal to minus 2 and x belongs to minus infinity to minus root 2, okay, close interval, okay, union, sorry, I think it's open interval, it's open interval minus union root 2 to plus infinity, open interval. So we need to take the intersection of this one, that is nothing but minus infinity minus root 2, okay, and before that minus 2 will come and then plus root 2 and then plus infinity. X greater than equal to minus 2, greater than equal to minus 2 is nothing but this thing, okay, minus infinity to minus root 2, minus infinity to minus root 2 is nothing but minus infinity to minus root 2, this thing, and plus root 2 infinity, this thing. So the common is nothing but this thing, so that is nothing but x belongs to close interval minus 2 to minus root 2 union root 2 to infinity. So this is the answer in the case A. And now we are going to solve case B, okay. So what is case B? Case B is nothing but when x plus 2 is less than 0. When x plus 2 is less than 0, case B, when x plus 2 is less than 0, in that case nothing but x square minus mod of x plus 2 plus x greater than 0, that is nothing but x plus 2 is less than 0, that means it will open with a negative sign, that is nothing but x plus 2 plus x greater than 0, that is nothing but x square plus x 2x plus 2 greater than 0, okay. So we know that here a is equal to nothing but 1 greater than 0, and d is nothing but d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is nothing but 4 minus 4 into 2, that is nothing but minus 4, this is less than 0, okay. So a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0, okay. So first of all we can see we cannot factorize this thing, okay. Factorize not possible, okay. Factorize not possible. Okay, that is not possible. Okay, the real factors are not possible. Okay, so we know that here a, this a, the coefficient of x square, that is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. That means this thing x square, this quadratic inequation, will be always greater than equal to 0 for all x belongs to real number. Okay, this will never less than 0. Okay, that means all x belongs to, all x will be the answer. Okay, all x will be the answer. That is nothing but x belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity. But we need to take minus infinity to plus infinity when x is from, or you can say that when x is from, when x plus 2 or x less than minus 2, when x is less than minus 2. So we need to take the intersection of this thing, that is nothing but x is less than minus 2 and x is belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity. That we can take the intersection, that is minus infinity to plus infinity, less than minus 2, less than minus infinity to minus 2, that means the whole thing, and less than minus 2 is nothing but this thing. So the intersection is nothing but this thing, that is nothing but x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 is the answer of the case B. So this is second one, and the first one is nothing but this is the first answer. So we will combine both these things, combine, or you can say that union. Okay, take union of first and second, take union of first and second. Okay, that is nothing but, first is nothing but x belongs to close interval minus 2 to minus root 2 only open interval union root 2 to infinity. Okay, second thing is nothing but x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2. So the combination, the union is nothing but, see, minus 2 will come here, minus root 2 plus root 2, okay, and plus infinity minus infinity. Okay, so minus 2 to minus, so that is nothing but this from here to here, and plus root 2 to infinity. Even though in the second one minus infinity to minus 2, minus infinity to minus 2. Okay, from here, so the union is nothing but from here to here and then from here to here. So that is nothing but x belongs to minus infinity to minus root 2 union root 2 to plus infinity. So this is our final answer, final answer. And according to our question, final answer is nothing but this B is the correct option. B is the correct option.